Okay, so first grab a cream base. I'm using this blue one from Wet n Wild. And you want to just spread that on evenly, that way the eyeshadows that we apply on top will stick really nicely. Next, set your base with an icy blue color and apply that all over. Next, with a white concealer, you want to cut the middle of the crease to create kind of like a halo eye effect. And then just set that with a white eyeshadow. Next, with a darker blue eyeshadow, you want to darken the outer and the inner lid area to make that halo pop. Next, I'm just going to bring that same color down to the lower lash line and smudge that out. Then, of course, I'm going to grab a glitter gel to put that in the middle of the eyelid. You know me, I love glitter, so I couldn't not do this look without glitter. Next, I'm just going to mix a blue and a black eyeshadow together to create a soft eyeliner look. Next, I'm just going to draw on the snowflakes. I kind of just do a really simple snowflake look. I just do an X with a kind of like a star shape almost, and then on each little leg, I just kind of start branching it out. And then that gives you like your little snowflake look. Then after that, I'm going to make it look really cute. I'm going to put white dots over the lid just to kind of give the illusion of snow. Next, I'm just going to put some mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm just going to apply a thin line of liner just to help the false lashes blend in seamlessly to my lash line. Then go ahead and apply some false lashes. The more dramatic, the better, honestly. Then go ahead and apply some blush. You want to look rosy. You want to look like you just got caught in a snowstorm. So go ahead and blush that nose and blush those cheeks. Don't be shy. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer just to bring back some dimension to my face. Then with a light brown shadow, I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose just to make my nose look a little bit more snatched. Then of course, set your artwork and follow with some highlights. Then I'm just going to create one more big snowflake on my face just because I feel like one's not enough for this look. So I'm going to do that one, and then I'm probably just going to add another one on my other eye as well. And last but not least are the lips. I'm just going to be using this like mauve brown color. I think it's really pretty. And I'm just going to put that on, and then we're just going to call it a day. And with that, we are finished. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is such a fun look to do for the winter time. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below on what you would like to see next. And of course, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!